Welcome back. In this chapter, we are going to cover how to share all that great work that you do in the DSR with your customer via the public link. Let's get it started. All right. In previous chapters, we actually covered a couple of different ways to share the presentation with the customer. But in this chapter, I want to collect them under one roof to create a better understanding. The very first place that you can share the presentation is the presentation listing. By using this three dots menu, you can select share presentation, and from here, whether you can send an email or copy the public link. The second place will be in the landing page by using this hamburger menu here. Again, you can press share presentation, which will open the same pop-up, and the rest will be the same. And in the presentation, you can always refer back to the hamburger menu for the sharing presentation. But as we covered in the previous chapter, there are a couple of tabs that leads you to share that specific tab pre-selected in the public link. One of them is the favorites. So in the favorite listing, if I use this export favorites button here, it will let you to share public link with the favorites tab pre-selected. And very similarly, if I'm in the merge floor, use this share merge floor button. It doesn't matter whether you send an email or copy the public link, it will pure select the merge floor tab. But for now, I'm just gonna use this share presentation, copy public link, and I'm gonna browse it right here. So this is the presentation tab where your customer can see the sections and the boards. They can scroll down or use the sections to quick jump. They can switch between boards to see all media, videos, and style cards. They can see the style ID, style name, price information, and delivery date information. If there are any color variants, they can use this color dots to see the color variants. But what they cannot do is they cannot add or remove a style from the favorites. So this public link will basically be only for browsing. They can download the whole boards as PDF if they want for later usage by using this button here. And that's all they can do for the presentation tab. Let's continue with the favorites. So this is the same listing as we have in the DSR. We have style ID, color variant name, and color variant and the style name together with the color variant thumbnails. And what they can do from here is, after they see all the styles with bigger thumbnails, if they want to see more information, they can go and press download as Excel button, which will leave them with a file like this. So here they have a little bit more information about the style, like size run, delivery, all prices, whether it's a news or not, or business tag. So they can use the Excel option. And then I'm gonna continue with the merge floor. So here they can see all the canvases listed on the left side, some big images, big thumbnails in the middle, and all the style that exists in the specific canvas on the right side with some product information, price information, and delivery information. And from here, they can download the canvases as PDF. The style information will follow the canvases in the PDF as the last page. And actually, presentation, favorites, and merge floor tabs are really public, so your customer won't need to sign in to view them. But the basket and inspect order tabs will be requiring the sign in to secure your data and privacy. So now if I go into the basket, if I wasn't signed in, I will see please sign in to see the data. The basket pages looks quite similar to the DSR, as you might notice. We have some product information, total of the basket, total per stores, and on the right side we have this product listing. And your customer can switch between products, see how the quantity display and distribution. They cannot change the quantities, but they can see, if it's a box, they can see the items inside the box. And again, just quite similar to the favorites, if they want to see more information or if they want to use this data in other formats, they can always download it as Excel, and this will be the Excel file that they get. they have some product data, size run, EINs, delivery periods, like quantities, number of color variants, etc. And the nodes will also follow in the Excel file, so that if they want to use it in other purposes, they can use this Excel sheet. And if they have multiple orders, we will create separated files. If they have multi-doors, we will create again different and separated Excel files per each store. So at the end, they will get a zip file. And then we have Inspect Order tab, again, quite similar to the Inspect Basket page in the DSR. They can see information about their order, how many items per color variant. They can see if they have any previous order here. They can filter down according to the stores. They will have the total of basket here with the number of color variants. And what they can do here is, again, they can download as PDF so that they can use in the later purposes or better discussion with the colleagues. With that being said, actually, those are the 5 tabs in the public link that your customer can utilize. But before I conclude, I want to warn you that all data that you see in the public link is live data, meaning that as soon as you change something in the DSR, it will directly and automatically affect the public link. So please be aware and take actions accordingly. And with that being said, we came at the end of the chapter. See you in the next ones.